Hi, today in front of you BLACKVIEW Tab 12 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first open the settings application and then tap to the personalization. Then tap to wallpaper and select one from these available default wallpapers or tap on the right upper corner, and here you will see all of your photos from your device gallery, previously downloaded photo from the internet or Google Drive photos. So just select one from the available wallpaper, tap to the application, select screen lock screen. Now let's just lock the device and check. So we can see that we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. Also, we can make it by the second way. Just hold for a while the empty space on the home screen, then tap to wallpapers and select one from the available folders. Then just by the same way, select the wallpaper, tap to application, select screen lock, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.